Hi mga higala! Welcome to Cebuano 101 where I teach Conversational Bisaya Cebuano. In this video, we are going to discuss how to say let's eat. Okay, there are three ways how to say let's eat. Okay, the first one is mga unta. Mga unta. Mga unta. Okay, this is more like an invitation. Okay, so ta here is me and you, or me and you guys. Okay, we use this to invite somebody out of respect. Normally it's out of respect, but if you hear somebody that keeps saying mga unta, if that person keeps saying, that means he is really sincere with his invitation or with her invitation. So mga unta, that means he or she wants you to eat. Now if you don't want to eat, you can just refuse. Like, you can make up excuses like human ako, I am done. Human is done, human na ko is I am done. Okay, and then you add salamat. That's how to reject the offer. Okay, the next one is, for example, if a group of people are in your house and you're the only person who is eating and you want to respectfully invite the people, you can say mga unta ninyo. Mga unta ninyo. Mga unta or mga unta ninyo. Ninyo is them, referring to them. Again, this does not mean that they will not eat with you. Okay? So some of the Filipinos will take your invitation seriously. Okay? Now, if you want to ask somebody to eat together, like, hey, let's eat, you can use this. Mga unta na. Mga unta na. Na there is like, it's like a little, there's a little push that, hey, let's eat together, or let's go eat. Okay, together. Mga unta na. The ta here is kita, that means us. Okay, me and you. Again, mga on. I forgot to break it down. Mga on. Nga kaon. Mga on is to eat. This is in future tense. The ma here signifies that it's gonna happen in the future. Ma nga on is to eat. Okay, to eat. Mga unta na. Let's go. Let's eat together. Let's go find some place to eat together. Okay. So those are the three. Let me repeat that. Mga unta. Mga unta. The next one. Mga unta ninyo. Mga unta ninyo. Okay. The third one is mga unta na. Mga unta na. Okay. So those are the three ways on how to say let's eat in Bisaya Cebuano. If you have any questions, you can just ask me anytime through my chat box. That's all for today. Daghang salamat. Amping kanunay. Bye!